This is Edgy. It is a web interface. It's drag and drop. I use this for visual stuff. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to use it in combination with Python during the year. If you can write everything in Python, great. You don't have to, but this is what I'll be using for some visual stuff. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a variable and I'm going to call it hand because that's the variable. That's the way things go. And I'm going to say we're going to set hand to 0. We're going to make it empty. Then I'm going to make 3 towers. I'm going to call it tower A, make another variable, tower B, make another variable, tower C. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this set thing here, and I'm going to say we're going to make tower A, and I am going to go to collections, and I'm going to make that a stack. And then I'm going to do the same thing for tower B and tower C. So I'm going to duplicate that, tower B, and I'm going to duplicate that again, and I'm going to say we're going to make that tower C. So over here is where we see everything happen. So I think by default you've got this clicked turned off. I'm going to turn that on. That means it's going to step through the code. It's going to do things one at a time here. So now if I click on this, we'll see it's turned these 3 into stacks. And now what I'm going to do in stack A, I am going to add the 3 disks. I'm going to say small, medium, and big. Let's see how that works. So I'm expecting to see small on top. Alright, cool. So small, medium, big. Now, if I want to say the top of stack, tower A, if I click on this, it will say S, because that is what is at the top of the stack, the small disk S. There it is. So do that again. So it's saying S. So that's what we've got there. Now, to go back to collections, to add things to a stack, we push them. So if I say push item hello to stack, I'm going to drag tower B. Now I click on this, it's going to say hello over in tower B. There it is. To take things out of a stack, I use pop. Collections, have here is stack, pop from stack. So if I just say pop from stack B, that thing will disappear. There, it's popped, it's gone. That's the thing. So if we add to a stack, we push. If we take from a stack, we pop. So they're the things that you're going to have to do to be able to model this situation. And the idea is that you would click on this, it would go through, make the 3 towers, and then we will see this simulation as it moves from one to the other appear here. So that's why we go about doing that. We have our hand to variable. Sorry, we say, and remember we've got our hand there as well, which is what we've got here. So I hope that's okay. I hope that'll be okay for today. As an introduction to the subject, this is, like I said, stack abstract data type, or ADT. We use these ADT things to simulate the real world. And that's all that I'm going to talk to you about. Good luck.